Hey y'all, I hope you're all doing well. Today, the day after Thanksgiving, I'm going to put together my tree. Finally, it's been chilling back there a little bit naked for a hot second. I've been waiting on some of my ornaments to get here and they finally just showed up, the last one of them today. So I'm gonna throw together this tree and just kind of walk you through how I put together my tree. But this is a new tree. Chris and I just went to At Homes and picked this up for $289. It's a 9-foot flocked pre-lit tree. So I'm pretty excited about that. And then I got a couple of different ornaments from a few different places and I'm gonna throw that together and we shall see how it turns out. But first, let me walk you through what I've got. So what I have been waiting on this entire time are my big ornaments. I got, for the first time ever, some big old ornaments. I got them, I think, for a pretty bomb deal. I found some on Big Lots, y'all, for $4 each. And they are some big ornaments. So here is a look at two of them. So I've got 4 each. It's like the size of my head. I'm so excited. So I got 4 each of these 2 different designs here. I'm so jazzed. And I'm gonna have these as like my main eye focal point throughout the front and even kind of the sides, but I'm not wasting money in putting these in the back. So I'm gonna have these as like the main focal point right up front. So each of these were $4 from Big Lots, and these are what took so long to get to me. I was supposed to have all of my Big Lots order by the 23rd of this month. It is the 27th, and I got them this morning, so there's that. The other things I ordered from Big Lots were smaller gold ornaments. So a little bit of sparkle. I'm not huge into a ton of sparkle. I like kind of a lot more of the texture and a classy, calm look. So I've got these gold. There are 12 in this pack. This also was $4. So I got 2 of these and then 8 of the big ornaments. And then when I was at Homes picking up my bomb tree, I saw a crap ton of ornaments, but I just love these. So I can't wait to try these out. So these are $9, $8.99. There are 40 of them in this little container. And so I got 2 of these. And I didn't want it to be too white, although as you can probably tell from my style, I really enjoy a nice clean white look. But I'm going to splash in some of those golds to kind of jazz it up. Let me get started decorating for y'all. I did also forget, I did pick up some of these ornamental hooks. Some people use these, some people don't. They were under $2, so I got 2 of these. Altogether, each one have 150 hooks in them, so this should be plenty. So let's get started putting some Christmas spirit on this tree. Okay, so since the focal point are the big bulbs, I'm gonna start with these. Just kind of sporadically putting them throughout the front mainly. I might do 1 or 2 on this side because this side is rather exposed. I'm gonna avoid this side in the back because ain't nobody got money for that many ornaments. Okay, now that I have the big ones up there as the main focal point, these are gonna be the next eye-catching items. So again, I have 24 of these, so I'm going to just put them mainly towards the front and that exposed side, just where your main eye is going to go when you enter the room. Okay, the main goal for me when I'm putting these up is to avoid as much as possible having something on the same linear line. So staggering it and making sure that's staggering as you put it on the tree, that distance between each of those ornaments and a whole perimeter around the ornament is kind of equal to as you go throughout the tree. That's what makes this just kind of, you know, a cheerful thing to look at. It's just like if any of y'all lay tile or you've seen me lay tile, you're trying, what is this? This is not for you. He thinks it's a toy. But as you lay tile, you don't want tile like the exact same distance stacked right on top of each other. You want it to kind of be laid out and have variance throughout the entire thing. So that's what I'm doing. Now that I've decorated the front and the side of my tree with the more eye-catchy ornaments and the bulbs, I'm gonna take those 3 white containers and decorate the empty places in between those ornaments. The thing that drew my eye to these ornaments is that for the most part, they appear to be a little bit of a matte white. So it's not like in your face kind of sparkle. So I like that there were very little sparkle, but I like that once you get close, you kind of have a very little like twinkle of sparkle in each one of these ornaments. So what I think I'm gonna do with these is start working from the bottom now that I've got the gold where I want and the big ornaments where I want, and I'm just gonna kind of fill these in, but also avoiding as much as possible putting similar ornaments around one another. And that includes not only the cool white matte sparkly ones, but those gold ones as well. Like there's a lot of gold ones that are circle glitter, kind of like this. So I don't want like 3 of these next to one of those. I think that just kind of flattens the look. So when I have a gold sparkle one, I might try to up my game with some of these as we go through. So many of these under $9 for 40-piece little white bulbs, these I'm putting towards the back of the tree. So then when you walk through, it's not like just this blatant like nakedness at the back. It's got a little bit of something, but my more expensive eye-catchy bulbs, I did not put those in the back. And you're not gonna be able to tell with these small little cheaper bulbs. They're gonna create that like optical illusion that look, I've decorated all angles of this tree. So that's a good way to kind of save a little bit of money when you're decorating your Christmas tree. Taken me, I don't know, an hour and a half or so to go through and add all of my ornaments. I really like the just clean look of all of the white with the hints of gold throughout. I'm still considering doing just like a small touch of red throughout with a red rope of just like those bohemian kind of beads. So I think I'm gonna go check those out. I saw some online and I'm gonna go see if they're available. They're little like just wood kind of bohemian styled garland beads, and I'm going to just, I think, attempt to wrap this in a zigzag fashion up the tree, and hopefully the 6 of them will work, but I'm gonna wrap these around and see what it looks like. Some red garland to the tree, this is the final look. If you like the products in this video, I'll post links to them in the description, and you can follow me on Instagram at the Reno Gal. Thanks for going on this journey with us.